hear that? That was kind of strange. Oh well. I heard something over there. I want to go check it out. What? Did you hear that? There's like a huge branch that just broke. I saw it fall off. It came from his tree down there. Right down there. You better see it, but there's a huge branch. No, it ain't. But it was down there. So catch my finger again. Right down there. Right where? God, it's so crazy. Oh. This is crazy, dog. Crazy, crazy. This is freaking crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at that house. That house almost got destroyed by a neighbor over there. I saw a tunnel go right back up, like way back there. Way back there. It's like a noodle is going. It's all going down. Give it a big loud roar. And went straight back up. It literally gone. I forgot tornadoes roar. I actually went chasing a tornado. I didn't get it on video. F. I think it was like an F1, F3, F2 maybe. I don't know. Caught it on. I don't know. I didn't catch it on video. I was saying that. But I got this nader on camera. It's huge. That's actually that's actually very crazy. That's the only nader I've ever seen. Well, if you think about it, I hunt Bigfoot. The wind is so calm. I forgot to say which book I'm too serious. Let's turn that interesting. We have a hurricane coming. Hurricanes are pretty freaking strong, if you ask me. Like, naders are like weaker. Seriously weaker than a freaking big old hurricane. Yeah, people say hurricanes are sissies. Hold up. You from Germany. Germany ain't getting no naders. You from freaking Germany or something. So you don't get no naders. Or hurricanes. Sorry, hurricanes. I don't want to think about them all. Oh, frick. Shoot. Where's the ditch at? There's the ditch. We got to get closer to the ditch. Wind's building up. Wind is building up. Holy cow, I might have to take cover for this one. Oh no, look on the radar here. Wind's going up to 100 miles per hour real quick. Yep, it's at 100 miles per hour. Shoot. It's in our freaking place too, going 100 miles per hour. Wind, that's about to hit hard. If you ask me. Oh God, oh, a stick just flew right at me. Hold up. Dude, that hurt. Oh, that stick hit me. Dude. I'm doing a little jump over y'all. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. You want to jump easily? When I mean. Let's pick it up. Let's pick it up.